This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your system. Create a restore point or full backup so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, open Settings and run Windows Update to install pending fixes. Updates often resolve instability. Next, check Device Manager for flagged drivers and update graphics and chipset drivers because outdated drivers cause crashes. Make sure to temporarily pause third-party antivirus during troubleshooting to avoid interference, and record what you changed so you can reverse steps later. You now run targeted diagnostics. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files, and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. While those run, check Event Viewer and Reliability Monitor to identify repeating errors and note the faulting modules. Once you have clues, perform a clean boot to disable non-Microsoft startup items and services. This isolates conflicts and confirms whether the issue is system or third-party software related. You finish by applying remedies based on findings. If repairs didn't resolve the problem, use System Restore to revert to a known good point or choose Reset this PC to reinstall Windows while keeping files. For driver issues, rollback or reinstall using the manufacturer's installer and verify device stability. Once fixed, re-enable antivirus and run full tests for everyday tasks. If problems persist, collect logs and error codes, then escalate to vendor support. One key tip: use safe mode to perform these.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.